Step 1. Go to youtube.com and click on any of the videos you want to watch. Step 2. Once you're on the video, make sure you watch at least 30 seconds of it. Step 3. Boom, you get paid. I want you to look at this. All of these are real proofs of payment from people in different countries. Every time they watch a video, they pay all this money. Here's how much money you can make from this. You can get $3 if you watch just one YouTube video. If you watch 10 videos on YouTube, you can earn $30. If you watch 50 videos every day, you can make $150 a month. What's that? You can do this over and over again and keep making money. This is a free and legal way to do it. You can watch it from anywhere in the world, and all you need right now is a computer or a mobile phone. I'll show you some examples and videos that you can watch, so make sure to stay and watch until the end. But before we begin, welcome to MMO Girl, where we teach you the easiest way to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified when we post a new video about how to make money online. This way, you'll know about it and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts about it. Let's go back to watching the video. In this video, I'll show you how to watch simple YouTube videos like these and make up to $3 for each one. Now the first thing I want you to do is click this sign in button at the top, which will bring you to this page. If you don't already have a YouTube account, click on Create Account to make a free account. From there, you can make a free Google account and sign up for YouTube when you log into your YouTube account. On the left side, you'll notice that you can see the best of YouTube. From there, YouTube will show you the most popular videos right now: news, music, sports, video games, etc. I'll show you a secret strategy in this video that no one else knows about. Now, I want you to click on this category of games, which will take you to this page. Millions of people watch these videos on YouTube, but they don't know how they could be making a lot of money. I'll show you the secret on how to do it. That's how all of these guys make a lot of money on YouTube. So let me give you the first bonus tip right now. I want you to pay attention to this type of video, which is already here. This is a trending game because it is one of the most popular games right now. And as you can see, there are more and more people watching. A lot of people want to watch videos like these, and if you click on this category, Among Us, you could be one of the first to do so. That will take you to this page where you can find some videos about Among Us. For instance, if I click on this one, it will take me to this page where a lot of people are watching live streaming. There is a lot of demand for this kind of video, and there are a lot of ways to make money online with it right on YouTube. So make sure you keep watching, and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from this kind of video on YouTube. You can do this over and over for many different YouTube videos in this category. You have to go to the second website, 7r6.com, to turn these live streaming videos into real money. Don't worry, I'll keep the link right here on the screen. Basically, this site gives you the chance to shorten URL links and turn them into real money. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to do it. It's not as hard as you might think. If you watch this video until the end, you could be making a lot of money right now. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's go back to watching the video. The idea is really easy to understand. You have to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and then you have to shorten the URL links of different YouTube videos. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. The third step. You could start making money right away. I'll just give you one example to show you how it works. If you're watching this YouTube video, for example, you can find the share button right here. From there, I want you to click the share button, which will bring up a link to this gaming video on YouTube, and then I want you to click the copy button. Now, all we have to do is go back to 7r6.com, copy the link, and paste it into this box. Then click this small button. As you can see here, this website will automatically change and shorten a long YouTube link into a new special link. You will get paid for every time someone clicks on this special link. That's exactly how all of these guys make a lot of money every single day right here on this website. Once you've earned money, you can put it in your PayPal account or any other way you want to get paid. So the first thing I want you to do is go back to the home page and click on the button that says Sign Up. That will take you to this page where you can sign up for a new membership. This is 100% free and everyone can use it. Enter your username, email address, and password. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click Register. For step 2, when you log into your account, this is what you'll see right here on your dashboard. I want you to click on this button at the top, which is the new link that has been shortened. We'll copy and paste the link to our YouTube video there, and then we can shorten the link. All we have to do is go back to our YouTube video, click the share button and copy the URL link. Then go back to the dashboard and copy and paste the link right here. I want you to click on the button with the shortened link, which you can see. So for step 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the process for up to 3 different videos. The more videos whose links you copy, the more money you will make. I have a bonus tip for you. I want you to focus on this category because you will make a lot of money from it, and I want you to focus especially on live streaming videos. For example, I'm going to click on this video, which will take me to a brand new live streaming video. With this many people watching the video, you'll be able to make a lot of money from it. We're going to use the same plan again. Click the button that says Share. Copy the link's URL, then go to 7r6.com and paste the second link there. Now click on Shorten, and that's the second link we've successfully shortened. Don't forget what I said. Just use the same plan again. Find more videos to watch. Now it's time for the last step. Go to steamcommunity.com and copy the link. Now basically, this is a gaming forum where people talk about different ways to play different games. Right now, there are a lot of discussions going on about this game, which is very popular right now. Combine the power of 7r6.com with the power of this game, and you can make a lot of money. Post and share your shortened link in the Steam community. From there, you'll get a lot of clicks and a lot of people will see your link, click on it, and watch the video. For every click, you'll make money, and from just one video, you could make hundreds or thousands of dollars. For those of you who are still watching, I have a special bonus tip that will help you make more money than other people. Mootdus is a special forum where people talk about this game. A lot of people post images, photos, and videos, and as you can see, they get a lot of views. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.